Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie and I love to do hauls, some makeup looks, some fashion inspo, some car vlogs. If that's something you'd be interested, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Join the fam. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back. So I have my Hobby Lobby haul. I'm going to just show you these two things that I picked up. The other one is downstairs, but I got these two wrapping papers. This one has the little trucks. This one is just a flannel. So what I'm planning to do is anything with a truck will be my son's gifts. Anything with the flannel will be my husband's. Because if you remember last Christmas, we wrapped up everything. We didn't put any names on it, and when it was time to open it, it was kind of like, no, that's not yours. Oh yeah, this is yours. Oh no, that's not yours. So we gonna try to avoid that. So yeah, I'm gonna start to show you. I spoke to you guys about the patches that I want to add to a blazer, to a hat, to a tie. And I was going through my blazers. I think what I want to do is I want to go to Goodwill, look at the men's, try one on and see if I like how that fits and put the patches on, because this is my first time doing it and I would hate to ruin one of my blazers trying to do this, you know. So that's the plan. And then once I do a blazer and I want to do a cap, then I want to try to do one of my fedora hats. We gonna see. So yeah, it doesn't look like a lot, but I spent about $100. So I ended up picking up the tigers, and what I want to do is I want to put one patch over here on the blazer. I want to put one patch on the bottom. I was thinking that maybe I want to do one blazer on the top and then stud out other stuff, put a couple of other things, save one for like the side of a cap. Like I just feel like something like this on the side, and then some other. I have a couple of ideas, but these only bring two, and they were $4.99. So I'm kind of like, is that good? I don't know. So I got this, but I also was looking on Shein, and Shein has some exactly like this, $2 each. So it's not $2, it's like $1 something. It's only a couple of cents that you save, but I think that if I do the blazer and end up using the majority of this for my second project, I want to get some stuff from Shein and try to figure that out. I don't know. But this is the first thing I got. Put you here. Then I got this with the roses. It's got a butterfly, but this one has two. So this one is more long. So again, if I wanted to do one big flower, maybe one of those tigers down here, a couple of little things, like I have a couple of ideas. And I like the fact that this one bring two. The only thing is that it was $7.99, and I get it's $3.99 each, but again, I don't know if that's really a good price. So I got that. And then everything that I was picking out was not on sale. So the only thing that was on sale was the wrapping paper, which was 50% off. So I'm still kind of like, is that a good deal? Like, I don't know. So I did pick up the E6000, and all of this is iron-on, but there's a few things like the studs and stuff that even though you clamp it, I was seeing a couple of videos where they were saying you should add glue, or depending on the fabric, you might want to add some glue on top of the iron-on. So yeah, I got that. So now I picked up this patch. It says, but first coffee. And I thought this was so cute. Again, if I want to add this, maybe I want to add this to a pair of jeans, like, you know, the not the shorts, but you know, they're a little longer, people are wearing it with the boots. If I want to do something like this, I think that'd be cute. Or again, on a blazer somewhere else, maybe on one of the sleeves or whatever. So I got this, but I also got this one, which is more of an iced coffee with the little bow on the straw. This is a hot coffee, so they're different even though they're the same. So yeah, and then one was, the bigger one was $3.49, the small one was $2.79. so if you've bought patches and stuff like that, let me know if that's a good price, because I don't know, like. And then I got this one, and this one actually shows you like a cap and how you would put it like on the rim. You can put it on the side, like if I wanted to put it on a fedora hat on the side and put a couple of pins, I feel like that would be nice with a jogger set, your fedora hat, a trench coat. Like, it's a look, it's a look. So yeah, I got these, and I like the fact that they're gold. So yeah, and I like the fact that it gives you this little picture of the cap, so you kind of get an idea of how you would style it, or kind of like, oh, okay, I get it, I get it. You know, you can put it upwards, you know. So yeah, and then these two were expensive on their own. This black design, this one was $5.99 for 3 diamond crowns. But again, I just need a bling, some kind of bling. And again, even if I add this, if I add this to the rim of the hat, I put the diamond, it's got a Yankee sign, like, it'll look nice, it'll look nice. You can do a couple of things. You can patch it and just, you know, put them individually to fill in a couple of holes when you're doing the blazer or whatever. So I got that, and then I got this. This I thought would look really nice on a denim shirt. I showed you guys I picked up that denim shirt, like if I wanted to, you know, patch out the denim shirt. Nezzy has shown that she had picked up a top from Rainbows already patched up and stuff, and it was on denim and it looked really nice. So I kind of feel like this on the denim would look really nice. So yeah, it's just lips, they're like dripping, and I was like, I picked up this one because it kind of looked like leather, and it's just a brown. It says blessed, and I just felt like it looked nice. So again, I picked up this tiger, and it's kind of similar to the one that's already on the hat that I showed you guys yesterday. So this is the hat from Walmart, and this is the patch. Like, they're literally pretty much exactly the same. So that hat, I can add a couple of little things and be done, because it already has the tiger patch. This one, if I want to add it to the blazer and add, you know, a couple of little things, or I want to add it to the hat on the side and have it say New York, a little studs, like, or if I want to do the tie, because I had shown you guys the videos of the ties, and have it just like on the edge there, I feel like that's gonna be nice. I had to pick up this one. I'm not really a pearls person. Like, pearls to me are not very, like, they're very senora like to me, but there was something about this that I wanted. Oh, so the tiger was $3.49 and the blessed brown was $1.79. This one is $1.79, and it was just like the J with pearls and some diamonds, which I think again would look really nice on the side of a hat. If I did like one tiger here, one J here, a couple little studs, like, it'd be nice. Or even on the blazer, like if it was like a brooch but it's actually ironed on, I think that'd be nice. And then I picked up these cherries because they just look so nice, and a lot of the stuff that I've been seeing have cherries, so I kind of have an idea of how I want to style a couple of things. I feel like you a little bit crooked. You fell down. But we're going to continue because it's a lot of little things and we ain't got to be super straight, you know. So I ended up picking up this one and it says Bougie. I like the fact that it's in pink because, you know, some of these are a lot of blacks and silver. I just feel like a pop of something would be nice. And this one is just that. A nice pop of something. This one was $3.29. I got this one because, like I always say, I don't know if you could hear me today, I'm wheezing. And I'm always like, I'm fine, it's fine, everything is fine. So, I got it. It says, it's fine, I'm fine, everything is fine. And this would be nice, again, just to add some stuff. And then this, another thing I always say, which is, you know, bruh. So, I got bruh. So yeah. Now the next thing I got is this, and this I want, you know, to add a little studs, but I also want it for something else. What I wanted to do is, let me show you. It's this little clamp. They sell it in the ones that you go like this, and it shows you that you put the fabric and then you close it, and then the lady was like, put a little towel and then you hit it with a hammer. I don't know. So I got these, right? They're just like little clips. I got these that have like a pearl kind of design to them. And then I got these that are like a mixture of big ones and small ones. What I want to do with this is, you know, sometimes when I'm wearing my blouses, you know, I like that opened look. So I want to be able to cinch a piece here and a piece over here, so that when I cinch it, it gives it that opened look. A lot of people put a little rubber band in the back and then twist it open so that it has like that gathered look. But I feel like something like that I can add to the sides to give me that little openness that I like. I want to give it a try. And she was like, you know, maybe you should try safety pins, see if that's the look that you like, and then you can remove it and have it loose. No. So I rather attach them, and if I change my mind and I don't want, you know, that cinched, I can unclip them. They're still there and I can wear them loose. And because these have like a pearl kind of look to them, I feel like it'll look like, oh, that's a nice little pin or whatever, like it's part of the shirt, even though it's not. Same thing with like, you know how I love to have that little cinch on the sleeve? I feel like it gives it a relaxed look. I can add a little two and then clip the two and have it stay, just like with some of my cardigans, and I want that cinched look. I can do it with that. I've never done it, and I'm gonna try it on, you know, one or two of my tops to see if I like it, if I don't like those metals there, because if I do it like with a snakeskin shirt, I don't feel like you're really gonna see it. If I do it with a solid, you might be like, what are those little clips, you know? So that's where we're at now. I saw a bunch of clips like this in Shein. It's a whole case with different colors, and it brings the little clamp, and it brings the little acrylic holder for you to put it in, for $5.99. This was $4.49. This was $3.79, $1.99, $4.49. So we're at 4, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15 bucks we already at. And I can get the whole little case in different colors. Now with the different colors, if I wanted to put a different color, like the color of the material, you're not really going to see it, because it's kind of blended in. But these metals, I feel like you'll see. But for the look that I want, once they're closed, it just looks like the material is gathered. You're not really gonna kind of see it. So that was my plan with these little clips. And I've seen a girl on TikTok show these little safety pins. They're like 2 balls, and you take one of the balls out and you put it and you close it, kind of like those earrings, and you can cinch it. So then she's got like that cinched open kind of look with baggy pants, and then she's got her hat on or whatever. So like it gives it like that look. And I was like, because I've seen other people say put a rubber band from the inside so it looks cinched. And I'm like, I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna work on this. I'm gonna go to Goodwill and find me a nice blazer that I like, that fits nice, that I can put the patches, because I also want it to be something that I can wear like a jacket. Like that's my jacket. I don't want to do it and put a coat on, because then you don't see it. You'll see it if, let's say, I wear it and we're going out and then I take my coat off, and then you'll see it, but you don't really get the gist. So this is what I picked up. I already have some images in my head of what I want to do. Depending on the jacket is how I'm gonna style this. So my next video is going to be my Shein haul, but we're gonna, hopefully I find something in the next couple of days so I can have this go up and then that, the DIY video. But I wanted to show you the patches that I got, the idea that I have, and then you tell me whether this price is okay for this, or girl, you got gypped. $5 for what? $3 for, let me know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short haul. I will be going back because I really like this Hobby Lobby store. It is very overwhelming, and I'm probably going at the wrong time because we're going into the holidays. So yes, it was packed, but I want to go back and just see other things, because now that I got these clips and I have that idea, I feel like I can do a lot more with my fashion, because I am on a weight loss journey. I do good one week and mess up the next, and do good one week and mess up the next, but I can see in my clothes that a lot of things are fitting big. So if I can cinch the size and have that look, I don't have to get rid of it, because it's not loose and big. And when I do the one tuck just for that relaxed look, I can see all the space on the sides. So with this, I can cinch it and have it just down and have it go like this, and it'll be a look. Like, it's a look, it's a look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, join the fam. Everybody else, I will see you in the next one. Bye.